Hey guys, welcome back to Tactical Expedition. Today I want to show you this carbon fiber front door trim cover for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y from Yeslac. Very exciting product. Look at this. This is a matte finish carbon fiber look for Model Y and 3. I have the matte carbon fiber on the dash, but I actually don't have this piece and it's a white piece that looks weird. So I'm glad that it came with this. Look at the quality of this product. Very high quality. And it comes with a 3M double-sided tape. 3M is the strongest double-sided tape out there. So literally you can elevate the interior of your Tesla Model Y with the custom designed carbon fiber front door trim covers. This is crafted from premium real dry carbon fiber. Look at that. That's what it is right here. And these trim covers deliver exceptional durability and lightweight performance. It's super light. Feels lighter than the plastic piece. So you can cover that stock wooden door trim or the white trim, and it looks ugly. So I think these look amazing. There's a gloss finish and the matte finish. I personally like the matte finish, but you guys can choose the gloss finish. This is my 2022 Model Y. And see, I have a matte dash cover, but I still don't have the door covers. Peel the 3M tape and just attach it tightly. Look at this right here, beautiful. Now I have the complete carbon fiber look around the entire dash, and even this side. Look at that, beautiful. So check this carbon fiber trim for your doors. Thank you for viewing my video and see you on the next one.